This is how I make vegan egg fried rice. Egg fried rice was a staple dish in my household and was always present at our family dinner gatherings. It was a dish that you could whip up in the kitchen with little ingredients and made in a large batch to bring to dinner parties or to feed a family. There are many interpretations of fried rice that are delicious in their own ways, but I think my recipe is pretty damn good. After many years of trying different seasonings, vegetables, and adding way too much or too little butter, I have perfected my fried rice recipe. Aside from the rice and soy sauce, the garlic, salt, and mushroom seasoning are the other key ingredients. They're what makes this fried rice special, and without it, it would be bland. I usually don't follow recipes to a T, and I tend to substitute ingredients, which I encourage you to do, but probably not when it comes to those seasonings. Considering that the jasmine rice would be cooked beforehand, you can make this dish in 15 minutes. It's a quick and comforting meal that is perfect any time of the year. So if you wanted to know